Do what?
The pooper scooper.
What's in there? What are you doing with dog poop? What are you doing with that shovel? Huh? What's the shovel for?
It's a dog poop.
So what are we looking for?
Dog poop.
Are you the pooper scooper?
Yeah.
Let's search for dog poop.
Yeah. Let's search for dog poop.
Why are we searching for dog poop?
Because I want to clean up the yard. I don't want nobody sitting.
Oh, you're a good man, aren't you? You see any more dog poop?
No, I'm not flying.
You see any?